Hello and welcome to RUBI AI and the AI Mavericks team. My name is Heidi Wilde and I am going to show you what about words and credits and workspaces and collaborators are all about. So with that, when you first come into RUBI, you are going to choose a price plan. And these price plans are based on your usage, what usage you think you're going to have. And all these subscriptions include all these things. It's just a matter of how much. They range from $20 a month to $100 a month. And I always recommend to come in at one of these two plans. Ideally, the $55 plan, because that'll give you so many words and credits to play with. 5 workspaces, 5 collaborators. You can go up and down your rate plans anytime. And the way that these rates work is they each have unlimited chat. And on the bottom, you'll see we have some chat models that are unlimited and free. We have words, we have credits, we have workspaces, collaborators, unlimited personas, and storage. So let's get into RUBI and see what this means. So the first thing I'll talk about with you is the workspaces. The rate plan that I have has 5 workspaces. The workspaces are to organize my content. So when I first come in and use RUBI, I decide where I want to put my content. So today I'm doing a demo. I'll put it in demo with newbies. Anything I do will go in that workspace in that project. If I want to manage my workspaces, I go to profile down here and manage account. And you'll see there's a lot of tabs here that I can manage my account. The first is general. I can put my information in there. This is usage. I can see based on my workspaces and my projects or general how much usage I'm doing, both words and credits. So you can see that my words, I did a lot of words because I've been working on some ebooks and things like that. So that's the words. And then the credits are used when you use image generation, personify, voice, spy, and ghost, all use credits. So this is my usage and I can see where I've used it. So if I go to the tab called Workspaces, these are my 4 workspaces. I categorize them. You can categorize them any way you want, whether you want to have different businesses or different clients or different topics, or maybe you have multiple users that use RUBI. So each workspace is a user. It's completely up to you. You can manage your workspaces by this 3 dots here, deactivate, edit, or delete. You can create a new workspace. So because I have 4, it's allowing me to create a 5th one. I can name it, give it a short description. I can even upload an image and create my workspace. So that's what workspaces are. You can have projects within your workspaces, as many projects as you want. And it's a really good way to categorize and organize all your content within RUBI. The next piece I'll talk about is collaborators. This is where you can invite people to come into the tool and use it however you decide you want them to. So right now, I don't have any collaborators. I have 5 of them in my rate plan. I can add a person's name, email. I can invite them to whatever workspace or all of them that I choose. I can even limit them to the usage, so I can say how many maximum words or credits that they can use within my tool, because it's all going to take from my bank. It's like a pool plan. And then I can decide what permissions I want within all these areas of RUBI. So do I want IntelliChat, them to have full access, read only, read and write, or do I want to block it? So that's what collaborators are about. You can use this for your admin, your VA, your business partner, your spouse, your children. You can add whoever you want to the tool. And depending on how many collaborators are, depends on what rate plan you have. So that's that. When we go to words and credits, we're going to talk about words first. There's your bank up here. This is how much words and credits you have. And words, you can even buy more if you want by clicking there. You can also go up and change your rate plan if you need to get more words. That's another option. But the words are primarily used in IntelliChat and the modules. So IntelliChat is where you're going to spend your time creating content. And these are the 10 models we have now. Some of them are free, unlimited, like you saw in the rate plan. So it doesn't cost you any words at all. This one, this one, this one, and this one. See, underneath it says word, free, unlimited. Some of them cost 1 times word. And then this particular one costs 3 times word. So that means if I use a word, it's going to cost me 3 words for every word. If you want to learn more about the models, you can click learn more, watch a video, and then see what the best use cases are based on the model. Tells you a little bit more information. And the other piece you would use words is vision. See these icons next to some of these chat models? Vision is enabled. That means that you can I'll put one here that's vision enabled, so I'll use that. I'll upload an image. I can either search my assets or I can upload an image, and then vision will describe what's in the image. If it's a plate of food, I'll say, please describe the food on the plate and the nutritional value of each food or something like that. And when I use vision, it's going to cost me 100 words for every image that I submit. So that's where words come in. We also have anchoring here. Anchoring is a piece where you can open this up, and this would also, anytime you use chat here, it's words, but you can anchor either a URL or a PDF, or you can make your own PDF out of a document. And when you anchor it and you put in whatever it is that you want, please give me benefits of this product, that submission, as well as what returns, will cost words if I'm in a chat that has word 1 time or 3 times. And here's how anchoring works. I'm going to say, give me the benefits of this product. And whatever it does it attaching the PDF that I've anchored. So that's pretty cool. And that's, again, where we use words. We'd also use words with modules. We have 150 pre-built modules. These are collections and all different topics. And any topic I go into, social media, if I want to do a social media poll, anytime I'm describing anything in a module, depending on what chat I've chosen, is going to take words. Words and credits roll over. You don't lose them. They max out at 2,001,000 right now. So you want to use your words and your credits. Don't let them max out. Where do credits come in? As you saw when I was showing you in the usage, Personify uses a credit. Although you have unlimited personas, you can every time you create a persona, whether it's in text, URL, you're putting a competitor or your website in or your landing page, that's a credit. And anytime you're using it from social media, Facebook, X, TikTok, that's a credit. So you can hover over this area to see what things will cost in terms of words and credits. Spy is a credit. Ghost is a credit. Virtual Studio, when you go into the image lab, again, based on what a model. So Midjourney gives you 4 images. It's going to cost you 4 credits. DALL-E 3 gives you 1 image. It's going to cost you 1 credit. And Voice Lab is credits. Video, if you hover over here, it's 3 credits for a video. Music is sometimes 1 credit, sometimes a half a credit, depends on what you're creating. So that's the words and credits, and in Canvas Plus as well, when you create projects and you create videos and things like that, that's also using credits. So play around with that. I want to stop my share, and that's a little bit about what the words, the credits, the workspace, and the collaborator is all about. Storage right now, we are not being monitored on storage, but eventually we will be. So it's a good idea for you to take care of deleting anything that you don't use, any images that you've created. Download your music or your images or videos onto, a Google Drive or your desktop. So you want to manage your storage, so when the time comes that there is a storage limitation, you won't have to go do a lot of cleanup. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your RUBI experience, and we'll see you on the inside.